Deleting a Justo account involves a few key steps, but keep in mind that Justo doesn't allow users to delete their accounts directly. Instead, you can cancel your subscription, which effectively stops all payroll, HR, and employee services. Sign into Justo. Log into your Justo admin account at justo.com using your credentials. Access account settings. In the dashboard, navigate to Settings and select Account and Settings from the menu. Here, you will find options to manage billing, subscriptions, and other account details. Cancel subscription. In the Account Settings section, look for the Subscription or Billing tab. Select Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Justo may prompt you to complete any pending payroll or compliance tasks before proceeding. Confirm cancellation. Justo will likely ask for a confirmation to cancel the subscription. Confirm your choice, and Justo will provide details on the final steps. Contact Justo support. If you encounter any issues or need to fully close your account and remove company data, reach out to Justo support for assistance, as they handle final data deletions directly.